we learn about Adobe Animate Scroll, which is component, UiScrollPane, and UiScrollBar. Let's start. Okay, this is the tutorial for Adobe Animate component for scroll, which is we will be using component UiScrollBar and Scrollpane. So the first we create the UiScrollBar is you pick the text. Okay. So the next step will be change the property for static text into dynamic text. Right. So click all the typeface and maybe you can resize it a little bit so in making sure the words will be appear. Okay. So another tab is go to component, and before that please make sure your property is like ls for readability and the paragraph will be multi-line. Okay. So go to component, scrollbar, UiScrollBar, drag towards the words and go to so already have. Okay, if your words like you can see all the words, the scroll will be not be functions there, so you need to make a little bit changes because you have to create the scroll. Okay, so just click here and just drag like here and put the scroll bar again and Ctrl Enter. Yes, you have your own scroll words. The purpose is the user might be doesn't like to see a lot of word inside the interface, so you can make it hidden a little bit from the user. And another one is UiScrollPane. So it different between the UiScrollBar. Okay. So the step for UiScrollPane is you need to create a text. So please make sure you change the text into static text back, because when you create the dynamic text on UiScrollPane, will be some error will happen. Okay, so the difference between scrollbar that UiScrollBar and Scrollpane is the scrollbar doesn't have picture or any item beside text, so only Scrollpane can have text. So you can import picture and select both of the items and convert to symbol, which is F8, or right click convert to symbol, choose movie clip, scroll and click advanced, enable guide for nice slice scaling and export for action script. And the thing you need to remember is the class, the rename of the class. Okay, so just copy. Okay, and delete the file. And go to component, Scrollpane. Okay. So the size of the information will be according to the size you choose for your Scrollpane. If you want to resize it, just click shortcut key Q and resize it. So the setting is go to component parameter, click the Scrollpane component parameter, source. So the thing we rename before, which is inside the movie clip properties, we click the enable for action script. So we rename as the class is scroll. So please make sure you type similar with the file you name inside the properties movie clip. So scroll. Okay. So just control enter. It's already play. Right. The difference between UiScrollBar and Scrollpane, UiScrollBar have only text and no picture included, and this doesn't have a horizontal scroll. They only have a vertical scroll here, and this is Scrollpane. Scrollpane can be include image inside the items. So that's all for Adobe Animate, Scrollbar and Scrollpane.